Hey, what's up everybody? I am breaking out my favorite hole saw set. This is the 9-piece general purpose set by Diablo that has the snap lock system. Now this time around, I just needed to punch a hole through the exterior metal shell of our workshop so that I could get the new washer and dryer to drain, because that's where we have our washer and dryer now, in the workshop. Now the snap lock part is obviously my favorite, but to note, these blades will cut hardwood, softwood, steel, plastic, siding, whatever. And this made quick work of the R panel on the outside of the shop. It cut right through. So you know the drill. If you're interested or looking for one of these kind of sets, I hope you'll consider this one by Diablo. Let me know what you think in the comments.